Well, these two have been kept quite busy. Some nice bones from the market stall. Hey, Gracie? Gracie, can I have your bone? Okay. Coco, can I have your bone? Oh, you see, you're more polite. Yes. But I guess the answer is no. Right, okay. Gracie, can I have your bone, please? Okay, I'll take that as a no.